Good morning, and welcome to our fourth week of school, I think this is. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. I do have some things to share with all of you this morning. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is that you will have a packet available to you this morning. And we have changed our packet pickup. You're allowed to pick packets up Monday through Friday until 1:30, I think. So I do have a packet for each of you today, and I may be adding to that as the week goes on, and if I do, I will reach out to you probably first via Dojo or Canvas and leave you a message to let you know. So in Justin's handout, you are going to have, sorry, I had it all organized. Okay, you are going to have our science packet. We've already done all the way up through we've done all the way through worksheet number 3 about the mollusks. And so if you could get caught up, we'll be doing more of that workbook on Tuesday and Wednesday. You also have a math facts handout, and so if you could finish that by Friday, that would be great. You can send it back to school on Monday when you pick up your Monday folder. All of you will have this activity guide. This is for you to log down the exercise that you're getting every day. Read the bottom. This is from the PE teacher, Mrs. Simonson, and she would like you to send her a picture of that all filled out. This is a handy dandy hundreds chart that you will probably be using a lot over the next little while as we practice skip counting and as we start to learn about place value. And then I also want to talk to you about this week we're going to try some phonics and word work lessons with our language arts program. So today I'm going to be teaching about word patterns and sound patterns. We're talking about long vowels. So some vowels sound short and some sound long, depending on what letters are around them. So we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And when they make a sound, that's what we call the short vowel. When they say their name, that's what we call the long vowel. So A, that's the name of the letter. When we hear A say A in a word, we call it a long vowel. When we hear A make it sound, ah, we call that its short sound. In today's lesson, you are going to get 2 bags of letters. Let me show you. So you're going to get one bag that says beginning cards and one that says word ending cards. And then you'll also get a sheet that looks like this. Numbers 1 through 20. Can you see how they have taken, oh my gosh, the word cards, the word ending cards, and the word beginning cards, and put them together to make a whole word. So they put down the ending card, A-V-E, can you see that at the bottom? And they put a beginning card, C, in front to make the word cave. So, right here. And then they wrote it on their paper over here. So that is what I would like you to do today and tomorrow. You don't have to get it all done today, but after your interactive reading lesson, I would like you to take your ending cards, put a beginning card, word card in front of it, and make a new word or a whole word, and then write all those words down on your paper. You can take a picture and send it to me, okay? And if you have any questions, you know always to check in. And then I think I said Wednesday I'm going to teach a new phonics and word work lesson. Again, we're still talking about long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. When they are long in a word, you can hear them say their name. When they are short, they make their sound. So in this lesson, we have, I don't know if you can see it very well. Here, I'll show you this big paper. Hang on. In this lesson, we have 3 kind of spelling patterns of words. And so you are going to have a sheet like this. And there are 3 spelling patterns. A blank E, I blank E, and O blank E. So that E on the end of these words is silent. You can't hear it. And it reaches over top of, this is the letter where the line is going to be a consonant. And a consonant is any letter in the alphabet that is not a vowel. So this E will reach across over top of this consonant, and it's going to tap the A on the head. It's going to tap the vowel on the head and say your name. So it's telling the vowel to be the long sound, A. So whatever that vowel is, okay? What you are going to do in this exercise is you have a whole bag of words here that follow these patterns. So this E is tapping the A and telling it to say long A. This E is tapping the I and it's saying say I. And this E is tapping the O and telling it to say O. I want you to go through your words. Read your word and decide, where does it go? Is this a long vowel A? So it should go here. Is it a long vowel I, or should I write it down here? Is it a long vowel O? Should I write it down here? I don't know. You got to figure it out. Let's practice with this one. Ale. Remember, the E is tapping the A and saying, say your name. Tail. Where do you think you should write this word? Should you write it? Is it an I? Is it an O? No, it's an A. You're going to write this word. You're going to copy it down right here. Okay? You don't have to start this assignment until Wednesday. That is when I'm going to teach it. And if I can find a good video for it to remind you, I will put a video up on Wednesday's page, okay? Trying to think, I feel like there's something else to tell you. Oh yeah, of course, oh my gosh. So today, I want all 3 of you guys to go to the Zoom. Let me see if I can share my screen with you. No, I can't. Okay. Well, I want you to go to our Canvas page, and at the very top, right under that thing that says, you know, our 2nd grade class, and there's my little icon, Bitmoji there. Underneath that, you're going to see the word Zoom in blue. Click on that at 9:40 today. Bring your snack. Bring your best manners, your school manners, and click in, and you can join the class for snack and see all your friends and say hello and do some chit-chatting. I want you to remember that when you zoom in, it's not like you're zooming in out on the playground or at your friend's house. You're zooming into school, so you have to use your school manners when you're there, because it's going to be just like being in our classroom. If you zoom in and the class is not there yet, just wait. It just means I haven't gotten all their snack ready and I haven't gotten our Zoom meeting turned on. But if you hang tight, I'll get there. Just stay there in the little waiting room, okay? Alright, I think this is going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for all of you kids to see each other and say hello. It'll be a blast. So, any questions about those lessons or anything that's in your packets, just have your mom or dad or grandma or somebody email me or get a hold of me via Canvas or Dojo. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.